My name is Olga Bagaeva and welcome to my course How to Redesign Ethereum Website Complete UI UX Guide. So what is this tutorial about? This tutorial will go through the process of Ethereum website redesign using Sketch. The tutorial will focus on wireframing aspects and UI work over wireframe. First, we'll create wireframes as a first stage of website redesign. Once we've created our wireframes, we'll jump into user interface design stage and create new website design. So what do you need in order to be successful for this course? You should have medium knowledges of next things. First, you need Sketch knowledges and the application installed on your Mac. Second, you need to know UX and UI design knowledges. And third one is wireframes. Let's talk about our sessions. So the first 3 sessions will be about wireframing. On our first session we will mention the Ethereum design which is currently online, and we are going to build our hero and about sections. On our second session we will create 4 description sections and command line tools section. On our third session we'll create news and footer section. Once we've completed with wireframe stage, we'll go to user interface design, and the next 3 sessions will be about it. So first our session will be for hero and about sections, we'll design them. Then we'll create 4 description section design plus command line tools section. And the last session we will cover news and footer sections. So welcome to my course and join this tutorial, learn new techniques, and I hope you will like the knowledges that will allow you not only redesign the websites but also work with new products as well. Thank you, have a great day, bye bye.